Hey everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to increase your Nexo Loyalty Tier step by step. Nexo is a trusted crypto platform that lets you store crypto, earn daily interest, borrow funds, and make it withdrawals easily. Your Nexo Loyalty Tier plays a big role in how much interest you earn and how much benefit you get. And Nexo has 4 loyalty tiers based on base, silver, gold, and platinum. So your tier is based on how much Nexo tokens you hold compared to your total portfolio. And the higher your tier, the higher interest rates and better perks you receive. First, you need to go to the Nexo and make sure you have a Google Chrome or Safari, and in the top there's a search bar, type down nexo.com, and over here in the top right corner select the login once you reach into the Nexo official website. Once you reach into this Nexo dashboard, and over here in the dashboard you'll see your interest rate and the tier it corresponds to. This tells your current tier automatically. Your loyalty tier depends on how much Nexo you hold related to your total portfolio. Silver 1% of the portfolio in Nexo, gold 5% in Nexo, and platinum 10% in Nexo. To move up a tier, you can buy Nexo on Nexo or transfer Nexo from another wallet. And once your Nexo percentage meets the tier requirement, your tier updates automatically, and you need to set it into this transactions over here, and the interest rate shown reflects your current tier. Higher tiers earn more interest and better perks like lower borrowing fees. And that's how you increase your Nexo loyalty tier using the updated website, and keep your Nexo holding above the threshold to maintain higher tiers, enjoy maximum benefits. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.